Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today we are going to see about what is arithmetic, a topic. Okay? Here arithmetic means four types of operation. Okay? Four types of operation. These are the basic operations for arithmetic. Okay? First, addition. We have to take plus sign. Okay? Plus sign. Next, subtraction. Here you have to take minus sign. Okay? Here, for example, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Here addition. Okay? Next, 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Okay? This is our addition. Here, for subtraction, 5 minus 2. See here, I am having 5 chocolates. Okay? I gave 2 chocolates to my friends. Okay? And now I am left over with 3. Okay? I am having totally 5 chocolates. I gave 2 chocolates to my friends. Then now I am left over with the chocolates are 3. Okay? Here it is subtraction. Next, 4 minus 3. Here 4 chocolates, 3 gave to friend and left over with 1. Okay? Next, multiplication. Okay? Multiplication cross. Okay? Here it is number of times. Okay? Here 3 into 5 equal to 15. Okay? Or you can say here it is repeated addition. ठीक है, रिपीटेड एडिशन का मतलब यू हैव टू ऐड 5 टाइम्स. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 times you add, you will get 15. ठीक है, or 3 power 5 equal to 15. Okay, you have to take 3 as 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Then you have to sum addition equal to 15. ठीक है. Next, division. Divide symbol. Okay, here division sign. ठीक है. Here totally 15 divided by 3. Okay, you have to divide it equally. Therefore here 1 2 3. Okay, equally means here 5 here 5 here 5. Count 1 2 3 4 5. ठीक है. Here also 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Here I am splitting it equally. Okay, for 3 times. here we can say it is repeated subtraction. ठीक है, here it is repeated subtraction. ठीक है, now we are getting into operation. First, addition. Here sum. ठीक है, I have said 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Okay, I am taking from left to right equal to 7. Suppose I am taking from right to left. First 3, next 4 equal to 7. Therefore, here it is getting same answer. ठीक है, for subtraction. Here it is sum, therefore here difference. ठीक है, for difference 5 minus 2 equal to we say 3. We have to only go through left to right. Okay, here you should not move from right to left. Suppose you do it, see here, minus 3, therefore here it is not equal. ठीक है, for sum you can add from right to left. Okay, or left to right. Okay, but here for difference you have to only add from left to right. ठीक है, no right to left. Here it will become negative value. ठीक है, next multiplication. ठीक है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन का मतलब ये प्रोडक्ट. ठीक है, प्रोडक्ट का मतलब ये 2 into 3 equal to 6. Here also you can multiple from left to right or right to left. 3 into 2 equal to 6. Therefore, here same answer. ठीक है, division. Division here quotient. Here also 15 divided by 3. Okay, you have to get answer 5. ठीक है, 15 divided by 3 you will get answer 5. Okay, suppose you have came through right to left. Okay, therefore 3 divided by 15 equal to 1 divided by 5. Therefore here it is not satisfying. ठीक है, here you have to understand clearly. For addition and multiplication we have came through these properties. Correct, here left to right, right to left. Therefore here compute. So that only for addition and multiplication we have the property commutative property. ठीक है, this is how the commutative property exists. ठीक है, this is how the commutative property came. Okay, but here for subtraction and division, here left to right only, therefore here it is not compute. Okay, therefore here no commutative property exist. Okay, okay, next, this is very important. Okay, how here it is came commutative property, here no commutative property, because I have said that if you take the operations from left to right, here it will become the same answer. Okay, otherwise right to left, here also you will get the same answer. Okay, for subtraction and division, here it will not become the same answer, you can check here. Okay, therefore now we are getting to next, inverse operation. Okay, addition and subtraction. Addition and subtractions are inverse operation. Okay, see how 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Okay, 7 minus 2 equal to 5, therefore here it is the 5. Okay, so that only we are saying this is an inverse operation. If you take any one value to this side, see here 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Okay, here it is inverse operation. Next, multiplication and division. Or inverse operation. See how here 4 into 10 equal to 4 tens are 40. Here if you take this value 40 divided by 10, okay, equal to 4. Here is 4. Okay, otherwise 40 divided by 4, here 4 ones are 4, therefore here it is value 10, therefore 10 is here. Okay, so that only we are saying addition and subtractions are inverse operation. Similarly multiplication and divisions are inverse operation. Okay, here it is the proof. Okay, I hope you all understand this concept. Okay, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. ठीक है, धन्यवाद.